Today, we will learn how to speak English fluently. But first, tell me, what is your problem?
I understand English, but I cannot speak. I feel shy when I try to talk. I study grammar every day, but I still cannot speak.
Grammar is important, but it is not enough. You need practice to speak.
What kind of practice should we do?
Simple speaking practice every day. Step 1. Use simple sentences. Do not try difficult words.
Hello, my name is Ali. I am learning English.
Very good! That is perfect. Simple and clear.
I feel shy when I speak. I am afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning. Do not be afraid. Step 2. Speak every day, even for 5 minutes.
"5 minutes is easy. I can do that every day."
Yes, that sounds simple. I will try this.
Step 3. Listen and repeat. This is called shadowing.
Hello, how are you?
I am fine. Thank you.
Excellent! You are improving. Keep practicing like this.
Now I feel better. Speaking is easier now.
I am not scared anymore. I can speak slowly.
Fluency comes with time. Be patient and consistent.
I will practice every day.
Me too. I will not stop.
That is the spirit. You are doing great.
I feel more confident now.
Yes, me too.
Remember, fluency is practice, not perfection. Start today and never stop. Your fluency will come.